My name is Alison Garcia. I'm an exchange student from Ecuador.
Hello, my name is Diego. I'm an exchange student from Spain.
I'm Claire, the exchange student from Belgium.
Melanie, and I'm an exchange student from Switzerland.
My name is Micah, and I was an exchange student in Germany last year.
Well, I think it's normal. You don't have to be ashamed of it or feel bad because you're homesick. It's just normal. You just have to feel everything, but don't stay on it.
Be here and do stuff with your family or whatever.
You have to be here, and that's what helps.
Just do stuff, do things with your host family, just playing games with them, or say, hey, let's go somewhere, do something, ask friends to do something. Just don't be alone.
I would just live in the moment and focus on what you are doing right now instead of focusing on the things that you miss.
It's gonna get better, and you know you're gonna see your family, you know you're gonna get the food back and see your friends back, but just enjoy now. Feel homesick if you have to feel homesick and talk about it. People are gonna listen to you, they are there for that, and just don't forget to enjoy.